What's good, guys? Tay here, back with another video. And today I wanted to do something a little differently than what I typically do. All right, so with all the current events that's going on in the world, a lot of people find themselves either working from home or not having any work at all. Okay, there will be plenty of people that's want to be online right now, looking for work from home opportunities or ways to build a business online so that they can take care of themselves and their families. Okay. Now, whether you're working for somebody else and you're working from home or you're trying to build a business, there's things that you need to understand when it comes to working from home because it's not easy, okay? Your home is a place of rest and relaxation. You're not thinking about work, okay? So there's a certain mindset that you need, certain things that you need to do in order to make this work and to make your day productive, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips that will allow you to be more productive when working from home. But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. All right, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. So the first tip that I want to give you, okay, is I want you to actually treat it like you're going to work. Okay, you'll see videos of people marketing different programs and stuff, and I usually use lines like work from the comfort of your own home, and I'll have an image or a picture of somebody in their pajamas with a cup of coffee. That to me personally is nonsense. Okay, see, it's a psychological game. If you're in your leisure clothes, your pajama clothes, then that's what your mindset is going to be: leisure, okay, relaxation. And that's not the mindset that you want to be in. You want to be ready for work. So get up like you would be going to work. Brush your teeth, wash, get in a good breakfast if you're one of those people that like to eat in the morning. Me personally, I don't because I work out and I like to fast in the morning. That's just me. Um, and prepare yourself physically and mentally to work, okay? Um, you don't have to put on a suit and anything like that, but you know, dress up in stuff that doesn't speak leisure and relaxation. Me personally, okay, and this is just me. Before I go ahead and before I set up to do any work, I'll go ahead and wash and eat and things like that, or prep rather, and I'll put on my workout clothes. Psychologically for me, I put on my workout clothes. I'm ready to do something active. I'm ready to be active. Okay, so that's just me. Um, if you, like I said, it may be something a little different, but like it's just treat it like you're getting up and you're getting ready to leave or go to work or something like that. Okay, that's the first thing you can do, and just start off with that and really put yourself in the mindset that you're getting ready to do some work. Okay. All right, guys. So the second thing that I have for you, the second tip that I have is to try not to work out of your bedroom. Okay. Now I know this is impossible for some of you. Some of you may live in like a studio apartment where you have just that one room, your bed, and that's where everything is. Um, if that's the case, try to dedicate a small space to like workspace, okay? But if you can, try to avoid doing work in your bedroom. Again, like I mentioned earlier, this is a place where you rest and you relax, okay? So you're going to be in that mindset, okay? It's seeing your bedroom that you just want to chill, okay? So if you have the ability, try not to work in your bedroom. And if you're forced to like work in your sleep space, then try to dedicate a small space within your bedroom or sleep space as workspace so that you can put yourself in that mindset to work instead of that mindset to leisure. This doesn't seem like a big thing, but psychologically it kind of is. Okay, so you really want to kind of uh, just kind of set your place up to accommodate the idea of working. The next thing I want to talk about is giving yourself a break, okay? Not a long one. Think of it like a job. 15, 20-minute break, just enough time to reset, before you get back to work. Okay, you don't want to take a long break because then it'll take you into procrastinating and then you really won't get anything done. But you do want to give yourself a break, especially if you're working online, you're in front of a bright computer or a phone or something like that, and it can be very strainful on your eyes. Okay, something else to think about is being sedentary, sitting around. That really takes a toll on your body. Okay, get up, stretch, get your eyes away from the screen if you're on a computer screen, and just give yourself a chance to refresh and reset. Okay, get you something to eat. Okay, hydrate, whatever the case may be, and then get yourself back into working. All right, the next one, if you can avoid this, is distractions. Okay, the little distractions like your phone. If you're not using your phone, put it on do not disturb. Okay, you don't want text messages and phone calls and emails and stuff while you're trying to work. Okay, TVs, turn that stuff off if it's not needed. Okay, I typically like to work by a window. I like the light and stuff like that. But it can be a big distraction in some cases because I do live by an airport, so there's airplanes flying over the house. There's tons of traffic, okay? And sometimes that stuff can be a major distraction, okay? Um, if you're working a work at home job, the kids, if you have kids in the family, um, the kids are off, they're not going to school, so they're home. Your significant other may be home. You have all these distractions to stop you and slow you down from getting work done. And it could be tough. I know it can, but really try to minimize as much of the distraction as possible. Okay. The more distractions you can avoid, the better it will be for trying to get any type of work done. All right. And the final thing that I have for you today is to just take care of yourself, both physically and mentally. It's tough working from home, okay? Especially when you're not physically active because you'll find yourself being more tired. Sitting in a chair all day or staring at a screen all day can have strain on your eyes and body, okay? So just take care of yourself physically. And then you also want to take care of yourself mentally as well. Again, distractions. Stay away from drama, distractions. Just stay away from it. It's hectic right now, and a lot of people are freaking out over dumb stuff. Okay, there's no reason right now why people are at stores fighting over toilet tissue, like beating the shit out of each other for toilet tissue. Dumb stuff like that. You don't need to have your mind on people arguing about politics and stuff like that. That stuff right now is irrelevant. What is relevant is making sure that you get work done so that you can focus on taking care of yourself and your family, okay? Also, education, all right? Better your skills, okay? Self-improvement. You want to read, do these type of things that help you improve in your business, improving your skills, and improve you overall as a person, okay? Mentally, okay? Things that help you change your attitude, all right? You want to do these things that will help you succeed and excel, okay? So again, take care of yourself both physically and mentally, all right? And that's it. These are the 5 tips that I have for you. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share this out with anybody who you think might find this useful as well. Subscribe to the channel for more content, guys, and I will catch you in the next video, guys. Take care.